Don't know. Hey, teacher.
Colin,
Hey, teacher.
good morning. How are you?
Good morning, teacher.
I think you just woke up. You just woke
Yes.
up, right? Yes. Okay. So yeah, last time honey teacher was not around for our class because I was kind of feeling sick. Yeah, so I was not
Oh,
around, honey. Yes. Okay. So now I am really feeling fine. Yes, feeling fine and happy. All right, you look very pretty, Lynn. I like your eyebrows. I like your eyebrows. Yeah. I want to have eyebrows like that, like yours. Okay, wait for a while and I will just write your name in my attendance, okay? All right. Okay, honey. So how was your sleep?
uh, I feel normal.
You slept normally. Okay. How was your whole week? Did you have a nice week?
Yes.
Okay, well, that's great to hear, honey. So, right now, my dear, we are going to continue with the very last part of our material. And after this one, we're going to have a new material, okay?
Okay.
Yes. So, teacher's now going to share the screen. Here. So, this is the last. Oh, can you see it now, honey?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So based on the given information here in the prompt card, honey, you're going to talk about the central library. Okay? Talk about the central library, honey. Hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone. Uh, here, Central Library is a one of the famous library in the city. It had books, videos, music CDs. Uh, if you buy videos, £1 per week. It's open on Monday to Saturday, 9 to 5 p.m. Share computers on fourth floor.
Okay.
Next, it's next to the city museum. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much, honey. So that is it. But next time, honey, make it more lively. Okay. Like, for example, like give it like with more energy. Okay. Like, for example, hello, everyone. Today I will be talking about the central library. So, the central library, okay, in the central library, you can borrow books, videos, and CDs. And the videos only cost £1 per week. The Central Library is open from Monday to Saturday, 9:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, we have here the 12 computers on the fourth floor, and the location of the Central Library is next to the City Museum. That is it, honey, okay? Give it with more
Okay.
energy. Yes, not just like not just by reading it, but with more, more energy, honey. More
Yeah.
power. Okay. Anyway, we are already done with the Cat 4 test 4, honey. Now we are going to have what is this? Cat
It's
5 test 1. Okay. So let's have the part 1, honey. Let's have this one, my dear. Let's have question number 1. For question number 1, what is the weather today? What
the
is the
weather.
weather?
The weather today is so hot and sunny.
Okay, thank you so much, honey. Do you trust the weather forecast, honey? Do you trust the weather forecast?
No,
Why not?
because uh, I um
You don't?
yes, I don't.
You don't really trust it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I see, honey. But you watch weather forecast. Where
No
do you
too.
where do we usually where do we usually see or check the weather where do we usually see the weather forecast, honey?
Can you repeat again? I can't
Where
hear.
where do we usually see the weather forecast? Like where can it be found? Weather
Uh,
forecast.
on the TV. On
Yes.
the phone. On
Very
the
good.
phone.
Yes, on the phone as well. Okay. So me too, honey. I don't really trust the weather forecast. And I don't also trust, the weather app in my phone, honey. It's just that because, sometimes it says it will rain. But even though it says it will rain, like later, it will never rain. Something like that. So me as well, I don't also trust it. Same as you, honey. Okay. Let's have question number 3, honey. Do you feel different because of the weather, Lynn? Do you feel different because of the weather?
Um,
Like, does it affect you
no.
emotionally? No, it doesn't. Oh, me, honey, it affects me in a way. Like, for example, it rains. I don't know, but I feel really sad when it rains, honey. I feel like I feel so lonely when it rains. Yeah. Like sometimes when it rains, sunny, I feel like I think about the past. I think about when I was younger, something like that. And number two, honey, I feel nervous whenever it rains. Because when it rains so hard here, the internet just we usually have power interruptions when we have like a huge rain here. So it really affects me. So you, honey,
Uh,
it doesn't make you feel happy. Yeah, the weather doesn't make you feel happy, something like that.
no.
It doesn't. It doesn't really affect you. I see, honey. But I think maybe when you get older, it will affect you, honey. Me, when I was younger at your age, I really didn't care. I really didn't care about the weather, about the temperature. But now that I grew older, it really affects me emotionally and physically. Okay. Next one, honey. How do you deal with the rain, Lynn? How do you deal with the rain?
Uh,
For
I
example, you're still at school, okay, and then it suddenly rained. You don't have an umbrella with you. Yeah, how do you deal with it?
I my dad and my mom uh uh, uh go to school and pick me up and he gives me a rent coat.
Okay.
We go car.
Okay, so that's how you deal with it, honey. You just call your parents. You just call
Yeah.
your mom and dad. Okay, well, that's great to hear. Okay, now let's have this one. Do you use an umbrella or a raincoat, honey? Or okay, let me revise the question. Do you bring your umbrella with you or a raincoat with you at school?
No.
I know. I see, honey. Okay, next. Do you worry about the global warming, honey? Do you worry about the global warming? What is global warming, honey?
Like a foggy storm or something.
Okay. Very good, honey. It's a long term in Earth's average temperature, mainly caused by the human activities, honey, like burning fossil fuels. So, yeah. Do you worry about it? Like so much?
No.
Oh, okay, honey. For me, I really worry about it. Yes. Because of the global warming, honey, the Philippines got so hot. It's never been so hot like this before. But because of the global warming, honey, it really changed. It really changed a lot.
Oh.
Okay. Anyway, honey, let's move forward now to question. Oh, here. How serious are the Earth's environmental problems, honey? How serious are the Earth's environmental problems? Is it very serious, honey? What do you think?
I think it's normal.
Okay. You don't really think, honey, right? That the like the it's so
Oh, yeah,
serious.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
It's so serious.
Yes, it is very serious, honey. Okay. So next question, my dear. Which region of your country has the best weather, honey? Or which place in your country has the best weather?
Maybe it's Dalat.
Oh, Danang,
Dalat.
Dalan. Can you type it, honey?
Okay. It's so cool. I like that better.
Okay. Dalat. I will search it, honey. Okay. Why, honey?
Okay.
What was it? What is it like there?
It's so cool.
Mm, okay, Dalat.
So cool.
Ah, oh, it is the place with the with the big statue, right? Wow. And do you always go here, honey?
I know.
But have you been here? Have you been here? Have you
Uh,
visited this place?
yeah. I've been
I
here
and it's
maybe
so
three
nice.
times. 3 times.
3 times already?
Yeah.
Wow. When was the last time that you came here, honey? When was the last time that you visited Dalat?
2025.
Whoa. It was just really recent. I see, honey. And is it your favorite place in Vietnam, honey?
Yes.
Oh, I see. Okay. All right. Anyway, honey, let's have the weather vocabulary right now. So we have here when we are talking about the sun, we we describe the sun in two. We have the first one. The sun is bright. The sun is what is this sun? Blazing. The sun is the sun has a sunlight and the sun has a sunshine. Okay, let's have the rain, honey. Let's have the rain. What are the words that describes the rain, honey? Please read.
Drizzling, pouring, raining, lashing.
Okay, drizzling, pouring, raining, and lashing. Okay, now let's have the clouds, honey. Let's have the words that describes the clouds.
Cloudy,
Mm,
gloomy,
mhm,
foggy,
mm.
overcast.
Forecast. We have the fog. What are the words that describes the fog, my dear?
Mist, haze, dense fog,
Mm.
patchy fog.
Okay, very good, honey. How about the snow?
Snowfall, snowstorm,
Mm,
snowflake,
yes.
blizzard,
Blizzard. One more time. Blizzard.
lizard,
Okay, next we have here the wind. How about the wind, honey?
Breeze, blustery, windstorm, hurricane.
Okay. Next, we have here the temperature.
Hot, warm, cold, freezing.
Okay. Next, we have here the natural disasters.
Landslide, avalanche, storm, drought, earthquake.
Okay. All right, honey. Thank you so much for reading everything. Here, honey. This one, honey, is avalanche. Can you read this one again? Avalanche.
Avalanche.
Yes. Okay. All right, let's have the useful vocabularies here right now. Here, honey, we have here the first one. The first one is bitterly. What is that?
The first one is very cold, very cold
Okay.
and unreason.
All right. Bitterly cold or very cold, honey, and very unpleasant. Okay, especially if you are in a very, very cold place. It's very cold. Okay, for example, Norway is bitterly cold. Okay, how about you, honey? Please make a sentence using the word bitterly cold.
Um, bitterly cold.
Make a sentence. For example, South Korea is bitterly cold. The weather in in South Korea when it's winter is bitterly cold. You.
Uh, the weather in the lake is bitterly cold.
Very good. Okay, next to the bitterly cold, honey, we have here the, what is that?
Um, boiling hot,
Very
very
good.
hot, informal.
Yes, boiling hot, honey. It means it's very hot. Okay, the weather in the Philippines is boiling hot. Okay, you make a sentence. Honey, Lynn, Lynn.